Hi and welcome back to the Polymer Clay channel. So following on with the Halloween theme, I'm going to show you how to make a voodoo doll. I know it sounds a bit creepy, doesn't it? Well, honestly, they're really cool to make and really fun. So I'm going to make 3 little designs and I want you to pick your favourite. So let me know in the comments when you've watched the video, which is your favourite. And don't forget to like, subscribe and also comment. So here we go. Boo! If you're liking this video, please hit the like button. If you're not subscribed, please subscribe. Thank you. Thanks for watching the tutorial. So I'm going to show you what they all look like now. So firstly, I'm going to start with the key ring. I love this key ring. He's quite big for a key ring, but you are never going to lose your keys with this thing hanging off your keychain. It is absolutely cool. And the reason why I like this is because you can just be really creative. You don't have to make things in any particular way, and you can have some real fun with this. Obviously the button, I really enjoyed that. So simple to make, as you saw. And then the rest of it is really just sort of decoration and putting sort of marks in. And with this bit here, I teared up a little bit of a hole, and then on this side here also it's got a little hole underneath, and it just gives it that really kind of voodoo doll sort of authentic look really. Now the reason why I made him the keyring is because he's slightly more 3D, so he's a bit more rounded, and he's quite sturdy. So even though he is a big for a keyring, I really love him just like that. So moving on to the next one. So this is the magnet one. Now he is pretty much the same apart from the little changes to the heart and where the scars are, but he is completely flat. Now the reason why I've done it that way is basically because if you put a bigger magnet on the fridge, it can get knocked. I do have a lot of 3D magnets on my fridge and sometimes they do get knocked. So I thought, make a change and make a really flat one. So you won't knock him in a hurry. And again, he's still quite big. My last one. Now this is just adorable. And I don't know what made me think about making this one. I really don't. But he is just a cute little thing. Now as you can see from holding him up in my palm of my hand, he is really small, and I've made him into a little charm. And literally I could have made a bigger one, I guess, but I wanted to make 3 different designs that you guys can all pick from. So this is how you make little voodoo people, dolls, whatever you want to call them, from Polymer Clay. Let me know what your favourite is in the comments, and I will see you again soon. Jones in position, Jones in position. They're all going to have the same sort of... Can't concentrate when your ear itches, when your head itches, can't concentrate. And he's quite big for a magnet. Magnet? It's not a magnet, it's a key ring. You just said key ring. Okay, here we go. Oh, hello. Subscribe. Or I kill you. Not really. And for a kit that's in the Eyelet. Thanks for watching the tutorial. So I'm going to show you. Thanks for watching the tutorial. So I'm going to show you what it looks like now. I think my batteries have run out.